Welcome to our channel with a new video. Fermented foods have many benefits. And sauerkraut is one of those foods, being nothing more than preserved, fermented cabbage. Even though it is a typical dish from the German culinary, it is eaten all around the world. Did you know that the basis of sauerkraut is cabbage? Fermentation is a preserving technique that consists in changing the chemistry of foods. And the fermentation produces probiotics, which are well known for improving the immune system, the digestion and absorption of foods, contributing to cognitive functions, improving the functioning of hormones, and also making your skin prettier. The fermentation process takes approximately 7 days, which increases its vitamin C content by bacterial activity, which also produces B-complex vitamins and enzymes. B-complex vitamins play an important role in keeping our bodies working as fine-tuned machines. You can eat sauerkraut by itself or with some bread, rice, and other dishes. Do you want to learn how to make it? Ingredients: 1 cabbage, 1 tablespoon marine salt. Are you enjoying this video so far? Then give us your opinion, it helps us know we are contributing to you and your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friend who needs to learn this recipe. Directions: remove the leaves that enclose the cabbage. Choose 4 whole leaves to use, and set them aside for later. After that, chop all the cabbage in very fine slices, using a sharp knife or mandolin. After that, put all the cabbage in a big bowl, add the salt and massage the cabbage for 10 minutes, or until it starts to release water and change colors. Make sure that your bowl is big enough for you to be able to rub the salt in all the cabbage slices, without making a mess. After you do this, place the cabbage in a container with a wide opening, and press all the slices against the bottom of the bottle, removing all the air trapped in between the cabbage pieces, until all the liquid is on top. You will notice some bubbles on the surface. The cabbage must be completely submerged in the liquid. After that, cover the mixture using the leaves you set aside earlier, pressing them against the bottom. Close the lid, but leave it somewhat loose so the gas from the fermentation has a way to escape. If you want, you can use a foil cloth to cover the bottle instead. Leave the mixture out of the fridge for 3 to 7 days, in a dark and warm place. Make sure it is warm, not hot. Some recipes ask you to wait for 1 to 4 weeks, but it depends on the temperature. There is no secret to know when your sauerkraut is ready, it depends on your preference. The longer it spends fermenting, the more vinegary it will be. The color and smell can also change. But after a week, you can taste it to know if it is already how you want it to be. So, did you like learning how to make homemade sauerkraut? When your sauerkraut is ready, just remove the foil cloth, close the bottle with a lid, and keep it in the fridge. Once in the fridge, it can last up to 2 months. Try the recipe and share your opinions with us in the comment section of the video. If you like this video, then press like button and share your experience in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.